Hey everyone, I would like to invite you to join me in Flight of the Bird. It's a great alternative to sun salutations to warm the body, which is perfect. As I look out the window, it's one of those really kind of chilly spring days. So let's heat ourselves up. I'll start small and I'll give us options to make it even hotter. So let's alternate a short stance warrior one back. We are matching breath to movement, matching movement to breath. I invite you to inhale on the way back, and then we can exhale as we step forward. Option to keep it more comfortable for our ankles. We might want to do a lunge instead. And let's start small with our arms. We can inhale open to cactus and exhale forward. So we're moving at our own pace, our own range of motion, feeling good. If we'd like to add some fire to our bird, we can hold a giant beach ball overhead. Inhale, big step back to warrior one. So please do take it at your own pace. We are honoring our bodies today. I've done this one before with my kids. They like to spread their bird wings. We could have a lot of fun with it. I don't know, reaching forward, pulling back. So please do make it your own. If you are in it for the long haul with me to the end of the song, please join me at your own pace. I'm going to turn the tunes up. To our bodies, doing what feels best for us today. We might like that Uddiyana action as we step in, pulling our navel inward. And maybe we're taking it totally easy, A-okay. Let's do a few more. We're nearing the end. You might like to wind it down. We always have the option to do that. Okay, we'll go one more each side. Let's take a deep breath out. And bring hands to heart. So there you have it. Flight of the Bird. Namaste. Have a good day.